Part of being productive and getting a lot of things done is to set everything up. I plan on drilling a series of 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch holes in my router fence. I've laid out the marks, but now I want to have the depth exactly the same in all of them. I'll start with a piece of scrap wood. I've got my 1/2 inch bit. Now that I know the depth that I want and I want to repeat that identically, this is where the magic blue tape comes to the rescue. I'm going to wrap this around the bit nice and tight so that it won't slip as I'm drilling. And then when I get to the end here, I'm going to fold this over so I've got a nice tag sticking out, be very visible as I'm drilling these. Before I drill all of these 1/2 inch, I'm going to mark off what I want to go to 1/4. Part of being productive and getting a lot of things done is to set everything up, because as you start going, you know how easy it is to overshoot or undershoot and get it wrong and mess up an otherwise nice piece of wood. I want to remain consistent with the depth, and I've already got my test hole drilled. All done, the tape peels right off, doesn't leave any residue on my bit. Now the question is, why did I drill all of these 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch holes in my router fence? Actually, that'll be a separate video, and when I show you, you're going to ask the same question that I did of myself, is why didn't I think about that sooner? If you enjoy these simple woodworking shop tips to help you be more productive and more accurate, particularly these blue tape magic ones, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Right now, you can do it right now. Thumbs up just right there. Won't hurt at all, I promise. Also, make sure you subscribe, and when you subscribe, ring the bell, because just subscribing, YouTube may or may not let you know when we put up a new video, but if you ring the bell, they know that you want to know when the Smart Wood Shop puts up a video. Also, if you'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart wood shop, a smart bench, a smart station, any of the accessories that work with the smart system, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Mahalo.